Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how I make my own color shifting watercolors. The pigments I'm using in this video are called super shifters or ultra color shifts. You can also find these pigments by looking out for mirror chameleon pigments. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so first I'll get the pigments onto the glass slab, and I generally add a bit of binder, honey and a tiny pinch of essential oil. Let's mix them up with a palette knife. So this color that I'm making, it is a shift between pink, orange and gold. And yes, and I also received a couple of questions saying if you can mix 2 to 3 different colors and get a color shift out of it. It doesn't work that way. Color shifts, if you want to make color shifting watercolors, you need color shifting pigments. There are specialized ones made for this, so that based on the angle or the way the light falls on it, it reflects a different color each time. So yes, these, you cannot really cheat your way through it. You definitely need the chameleon pigments or color shifting pigments. These pigments that I am using in this video belong to the size of 5 to 30 micrometers. So these are basically some of those pigments that give a mirror effect, and they are like super tiny pigments. The pigments I have used in my previous videos where I made color shifts, in that you would find the particle size a little bigger, so they belong to like 30 to 60 micrometers, but I wanted to try these out. These ones are a bit expensive, so right now I have around 5 grams of these on the slab. Okay, the next color that I am making is blue, green and lilac shift. Along with this pigment, I'm adding around 2 to 3 grams of iridescent color shifters too. So iridescent shifters are more like, they give a very subtle shift when you use it on a white paper, but on black you get a very vibrant color shift there. So I just wanted to experiment and try mixing these two together because mirror chameleon pigments are super vibrant and they give a very sleek swatch. So but iridescent kind of adds in a bit of shimmer and a bit of glittery look to it. So I was going for a mix of mirror plus a bit of shimmer to it. So I really wanted to try adding these two and seeing how it comes out, and they do turn out to be really pretty. Also, about adding the pigment to binder ratio, I cannot really give a fixed number or a fixed ratio because it's all about the pigment. Each pigment varies. I am making the third color. It is a shift between blue, purple and red. I didn't want to bore you with the process, so I'm just filling the pans with them. Made another shifter, which is a shift from pink, gold and green. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and do give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.